Hey guys, in this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process to add payment gateway in Opencart, a popular e-commerce platform. Whether you're a business owner, entrepreneur, or just getting started with online selling, creating an account is the first step to setting up your online store. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and go to the Opencart website. You can do this by typing Opencart into the address bar. Then click on the first link that appears. Then on the top left corner, there's the login button. Let's click on that. Now enter your email and password. Now wait for the page to load. Now there are a few options. So in account section, here we can see payment methods. So let's click on that. Now here it'll ask you to add payment method. So let's click on the add payment method button. Now as we can see here, there are two options. There's PayPal and credit card method. So I'll select credit card method. Now it'll ask you for your card number, date of expiry, and CVV. After you fill these information, click on the Store Credit Card button. So as you can see, we've successfully added Payment Gateway in Opencart. That's it for today, guys. If you found this tutorial helpful, please leave a comment and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.